Hi everyone. So in this video, we are going to discuss about Coulomb's law example. And first example is a point charge of 3 nanocoulombs is located at the point 2, minus 2, 3 meters. Find the force F bar on another point charge of 2 nanocoulombs at the point 3, 3, 4 meters using vector point method. Express F bar in terms of its rectangular components and as a magnitude and unit vector. So given that there are 2 point charges, what are the 2 point charges? One point charge is 3 nanocoulombs and which is located at 2, minus 2, 3 meters, and second point charge is 2 nanocoulombs which is located at the point 3, 3, 4 meters. Now here in this example, calculate the force on 2 nanocoulombs. Calculate the force on 2 nanocoulombs due to 3 nanocoulombs. So first draw the graphical representation of the given data. So that is there are 2 point charges that are 3 nanocoulombs and 2 nanocoulombs. Q1 is equal 3 nanocoulombs and this is 3 nanocoulombs point charge and this is 2 nanocoulombs point charge. And 3 nanocoulombs charge is located at 2, minus 2, 3 meters and 3 nanocoulombs point charge is located at 3, 3, 4 meters. And after that, draw the vector line from charge Q1 to charge Q2. So because of that, here the force is calculated on second point charge. So because of that, draw the vector line from charge Q1 to charge Q1 to charge Q2. And the distance between these two vectors is capital R or R12. And AR12 bar or AR bar is the unit vector directed from charge Q1 to charge Q2. AR bar is the unit vector which is directed from charge Q1 to charge Q2. So along this direction, at the point charge Q2, the force is F12 bar. F12 bar is the force on second point charge Q2 due to first point charge Q1. So given data, small r1 position vector r1 is equal 2, minus 2, 3 and the position vector r2 is equal 3, 3, 4. So according to Coulomb's law, the force on charge Q2 due to Q1 is F bar or F12 bar is equal Q1 Q2 by 4 pi epsilon naught r square into AR bar, or in another expression Q1 Q2 by 4 pi epsilon naught R2 minus R1 whole square. So this is the force on charge Q2 due to Q1. So this equation already explained, already derived in previous classes. Now here find out the force on second point charge Q2 due to Q1. So given that, so first calculate R2 minus R1 and R2 minus R1 or capital R from the figure. So now here the charge is calculated on, force is calculated on second point charge. Because of that, second point charge position vector minus first point charge position vector. What is the second point charge position vector? Small r2. And what is the first point charge position vector? R1. So therefore, the distance vector r bar is equal second point charge position vector minus first point charge position vector. So why we consider second point charge position vector minus first point charge position vector? The force is calculated on second point charge position vector. Force is calculated on second point charge due to first point charge. So because of that, R bar is equal small r2 minus r1. And the unit vector A r bar is equal r bar divided by magnitude of r bar. So what is the small r1 from the given data 2 comma minus 2 comma 3? So that can be represented in terms of unit vectors 2 into ax bar minus 2 into ay bar plus 3 into az bar. And from the given data, what is the second position vector? Small r2 is equal 3 comma 3 comma 4. That can be represented in terms of unit vector 3 into ax bar plus 3 into ay bar plus 4 into az bar. So therefore, the distance vector r bar or r12 bar is equal small r2 minus r1 is equal 3ax bar plus 3ay bar plus 4az bar minus of 2ax bar minus 2ay bar plus 3az bar. 3ax bar minus 2ax bar ax bar 3ay bar minus into minus plus 3ay bar plus 2ay bar 5ay bar 4az bar minus 3az bar az bar. So therefore r2 minus r1 is equal ax bar plus 5ay bar plus az bar. And after that calculate, take the magnitude on both sides. Magnitude of r bar is equal square root of ax bar component is 1, ay bar component is 1, az bar component is 1. So that is square root of 1 square plus 5 square plus 1 square. So 1 square is 1, 5 square is 25, 1 square is 1. 1 plus 25 plus 1, 27. R is equal to square root of 27. Square root of 27 is 5.15 meters. And the unit vector AR bar is equal AX bar plus 5AY bar plus AZ bar. Unit vector AR bar is equal R bar divided by magnitude of R bar. What is the distance vector R bar? AX bar plus 5AY bar plus AZ bar. And what is the magnitude of R bar? 5.19. And substitute R bar and magnitude of R bar values into here. We get unit vector AR bar or AR12 bar. So from the given data, represent in terms of unit vectors. So now here express F bar in terms of rectangular components. Rectangular components mean force is expressed in terms of AX bar, AY bar, AZ bar. And also calculate magnitude and also calculate unit vector. So the unit vector AR bar is equal unit vector AR bar is equal 0.19 AX bar plus 0.96 AY bar plus 0.19 AZ bar. Therefore, the force F bar is equal Q1 Q2 by 4 pi epsilon r square into AR bar. And substitute all the values into this equation, we get the force F bar is equal. The value of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is 9 into 10 to the power of 9. Q1 is given data Q1 is 3 nanocoulombs 3 into 10 to the power of minus 9. Q2 is 2 nanocoulombs 2 into 10 to the power of minus 9 by R. What is the R value? 5.19. So 5.19 whole square into AR bar. So that is equal. Simplifying this value, we get 1.9722 into 10 to the power of minus 9 into AR bar. From the given data, represent F bar in terms of rectangular coordinate system. So in terms of AX bar, AY bar and AZ bar. So because of that, in this expression, substitute AR bar value. What is AR bar value? This is the AR bar value. And substitute AR bar or AR12 bar value here. We get the force F bar is equal 1.972 into 10 to the power of minus 9 into AR bar value is 0.19 AX bar plus 0.96 AY bar plus 0.19 AZ bar. Multiplying 1.97 within the bracket term, we get the force F bar is equal 0.38 AX bar plus 0.19 AY bar plus 0.38 AZ bar into 10 to the power of minus 9. 10 to the power of minus 9 is nano. and the force is measured in newtons. So therefore, nano-newtons. And the magnitude of F bar is square root of Ax bar component square root of, what is Ax bar component? 0.38 whole square plus Ay bar component is 1.9 whole square plus 0.38 whole square. And the magnitude of F bar is Ax bar component whole square plus Ay bar component whole square plus Az bar component whole square under root. So that is equal to nano newtons.